Creating a solid model number 10 for 2-1-6 starts by sketching out the basic shapes. So if you look at the shape that you'd like to create, you have 4 inches by 2 inches, which would be the rectangle that begins the shape, and then you add on the arcs on either end. So if I come over into my Inventor part file, go into the sketch, I can start with a rectangle, and it's sketch dimension extrude. That's the normal way that you start a solid model. So I dimension 4 inches by 2 inches, and I have the rectangle to start, and then I need to add the arcs onto the end. So if you look at the arc, it comes out 1 inch between the center point and the end of the arc, so the radius is 1 inch. So we can start with a circle, or you can do an arc using the arc tool, and you can do a center point arc, and you'll notice that Inventor infers the center point with that green dot, and start it on the end point and draw it all the way around. And the same thing on the other side. Let Inventor infer the end points and the center point. You've got the basic shape. Now you can go back and delete the lines that you don't need, and you can begin by extruding this sketch. And if you look back at your drawing, you'll see that it comes up 1 inch to get to this point right here. So we extrude it 1 inch, and now we have the beginning. So the next step is to create a 2D sketch on the top face, and we will then put the hole here with a subtractive modeling technique, and the hole is 1 inch in diameter, and you can notice that it's centered. So I'll start with a circle, and the center point's already there, and I'll type in the dimension of 1 inch, finish the sketch, and rotate it so you can see, and cut extrude. So be sure to select the cut extrude option, and then let's see here, you have the first hole created. Now to create this next extrusion coming up, we're going to add on to it, and we'll do 2 concentric circles. So we'll start with the circle tool after we create another sketch. Notice the sketches are appearing in the browser. So using that center point, we'll create a sketch, and you want to look at the sketch, the full circle, the full diameter of 1 inch, and then the full radius of 1 inch, and then a radius of a ½ inch. So we start with that, and then another circle that would have a diameter of 1. Finish the sketch and extrude that part, and you want to come up another inch. So check back with your diagram each time. And then if you see there's a problem, you need to go back and finish the cut extrude through by creating another sketch inside, clicking on that face, and then you can draw a circle and cut it all the way through.